In Missouri, mid-October is a great time to see the leaves changing. My kids and I visited Runge Nature Center to hike the trails and enjoy the fall colors along the way. We started here at the Rabbit Run Trailhead. This is also where our trip would end. At the fork in the trail, we looked at the map and decided where we wanted to go next. We also met a snake. According to my son, its name was Kevin. At the overlook, we read information about how water affects the ecosystems around it. As we crossed the second bridge, we found a JC rock and searched for frogs in a wetland area. We took a little detour at a creek to see what other wildlife we could spot. We also stopped here to set up for a picnic lunch and do some leaf rubbings. Just as we were getting ready to hit the trail again, a flock of turkeys crossed our path. When we reached the end of the path, we decided to take a short trail through a garden. Further down this trail, we found a small pond and a simple playground. After the hike, we decided to head inside and see what the Nature Center had to offer. When we got home, we logged our miles on 100MissouriMiles.com and set up Buddy Miles accounts for the kids. Hitting the trails in the fall has a lot to offer for the whole family, and don't forget to log everyone's miles at 100MissouriMiles.com.